The wedding's off. It's off. We can't get the security. Yeah, this could be a bad thing, Gav. And the other thing in Europe today, I don't know if I think you reported on your news that Mr. Farage is now actually saying they want another. He's saying they should have a second vote.
Yeah, he wants to be employed for a few more years.
Well, yeah.
That's it, isn't it? Otherwise, he's only thought
he's not relevant anymore. Otherwise,
I've got a serious problem here. I'm very much
I've kind of done what I set out to do. Yeah.
One trick pony wants to do trick again.
Yes,
exactly right. That's it. Yeah, the sad thing is
he's not enjoying retirement.
One thing, which is Brexit, you're really expert in. You've succeeded.
Yeah.
Now
what?
Yeah, I tell you what, the re-Brexit.
Yeah. Yes, Brexit.
He's now a re-Brexit.
I'm real independent.
No, really, no, but this is for really Brexit.
Yeah.
No, but the last one was because
just a practice.
And what gets me about it is that politics has become now the kind of main thing that stands between us and actual politics.
Yes, it gets in the way.
It's really got in the way of politics. You just want to say, you can understand those, well, people like me who just want to put the army in charge and just get rid of it.
Just get stuff done, admin.
Because now we're now